on, guys? So this is the final day, and whether or not I'm going to be done today with this boat, so really hope that we get stuff done that we need to get done. So let's go ahead and look back at the list here. So hatch latches, need to get that done. First, we also got to carpet those. So cables to the batteries, if you can see in there, still got to get those in. I did get the NOCO maintainer hooked up. Switch panel we're not going to do. The seats, got to get those finished up. Bilge pump, yeah, pretty much decided I'm not going to do the bilge pump this go around, because unless I get a wild hair, I'm not doing it. So bilge pump, we're kind of nixing that. So in theory, we don't really have that much left to do. Close, real close, very close. I am waiting for my dad to show up, so I'm probably going to start sizing carpet for these hatches. I might fiberglass resin, because we did trim the outside edge of these, so I might look into doing something different with that. But other than that, we're ready, as we're going to be, as I'm willing to be. It's been a long few days, so we're just going to get this knocked out, and we're taking her to Branson, and she's going to float, hopefully. But thank you guys so much for watching. We will jump into it. So patches in. Didn't film it because we were trying to get things done because tomorrow we got a lot of packing and stuff to do before we leave. But I really appreciate you guys watching. We rigged up our light to a switch temporarily just for the trip. Yeah, we're ready to go. Aren't we? Yeah, we are. Okay. But, okay. Well, I appreciate you watching, and my dog is barking, obviously. But, yeah. May not be as done as I wanted it to be, but it's done enough to take it on a trip, so. Thank you very much for watching, and I don't know, we'll see what project we come up with next. I'm going to try and do some recording while we're down in Branson, show this thing boating around, so stay tuned for that. But take care, guys, have a good night. Pow!